Settimane per risultati visibili già dal primo giorno. Da subito grande appetito. Dalla prima settimana più energia e vitalità. Dalla seconda settimana digestione più sana grazie al contenuto di cicoria. Dalla terza settimana pelo lucido e occhi vivaci. Inizia subito il programma 3 settimane. Purina One.
And that pista is a big one.
Afegbe uno sene, iya osio. Come on, buddy. Alright, now share this video. It's a quick one. So then we'll get to video 1 and 2. Sharp. We're going to do this one first. Before we go, come to Lady of Evil. Boy, Papa with his smile. I don't mind drink. I want y'all.
Multivitamine e minerali Equilibra con compressa
Faith Ide Foundation. I see you. Wow, tough for national peace to reign. I greet you all with better style. For those of you with the power tap, may God bless you all. Blessed child, my love, I greet you. Oh, I told Bright audio, yaro you know you are talk. Why is it talk to ati o tove? Munda wazaka tova gona yemela o ye. Big mommy, I must greet you. We declare Udu. That is on Zoom order. Everywhere done on Zoom. Then yeah, you boy. If I get back more, Mammy, go be on my yard now. Oh, we went on here, you will. You back bone, the red dog, I will go. Sucedo, cosa sucedo, como no. Y sucedo, claro. El morir es coco. Papa, sigue yo. Say you want money. Ina mare o. Ni buyo ya ni wina ne o. Ina mare o. Ni buyo pa kina o. Ina mare o. Ni buyo susa ya me o. Ina mare o. Ni buyo sa ko wane. Ina mare o. Ni buyo ya wa money. Ina mare o. Etio salera me unseni se yema gomeo. Signori yo, signori yo so man. Don't work in on it. Ayala kameba. Ayala kameba. No ya we ponori e. Ayala kameba. Ayala kameba. You want no one sota. Ayala kameba. No people, no ya dog mano. Ayala kameba. No ni na ya na bisanera when dog basta yo veo. Edokpayi le runa o baba. Yes me o debre. Yes me ya yore. Yes me wa. Yes me uta. Yes me wa son.
ricaricabile Baikada.
All right.
A San Valentino fai scegliere l'amore di chi ami.
Della vita o
No, let me cut the live. The music. Franco, Afara.
My brother, my friend, what are going? Who are the puppies today?
I must greet you with better style.
You too much.
But I work.
My brother, what are you doing? How your side now?
Everywhere good.
For Berry. Yeah, we are near Madame.
I don't know the girl.
Only iye-eki boy.
You can
When you shoot the West say, you get tapa, boy, ball ni atapa ba.
Eresa no gear where we come my West say. Iye no gear West say ye no gear.
Yes, my scary boy. September 9. And now, the night we are celebrating birthday of Wenoko now. And we are celebrating Wenoko.
nice one. You can not what now.
And now, but we want to go now. You got another sister, man, not you. The same date, Yaki. December. Yes.
Ça va se jouer.
All right, you guys should mute. Let me start my topic. This is where I came out from. Because you can't be TikTok now. Video ni yao YouTube na we. Ya gwe esther edokpayi gwan. I've read this reply you understand? For those of you that see that thing where Esther or Mumoto ni boy ni where your TV not gmewe na not gbe YouTube you not post your Facebook or the day of song. But you down your when this story you are in when the full topic. When no you are posted a receipt in yesterday 3 million, 2 million, 1 million. The first on first, on second, on third. But see motor you not demoto you. When that way boy must sign the 5 years record deal libe. You understand? So yeah, by force you are forcing the boy signed a death warrant. Yeah, I'm going to lay. So we'll talk about that later after this broadcast on my YouTube channel. All right, let's go straight to Mommy 3D. A topic in here kana all concerning Mommy 3D. I'm gonna invite her, make she come here. Because I see the thing with the trend for social media for some few weeks now about single mother. You understand? Hope you say the thing go they go down. I'm not going to see talk as small, make una serious, normally. You don't understand, but I don't understand the thing they cause to the past, be careful. They cause on that many dimensions. You understand? Nevertheless, let's go straight to my own idea on this issue of single mother. Because I just that they watch many single mother, they bash that woman with 3D. Most of the people they bash the woman are single mom. Then they bash the woman. I beg, make una help me tag that woman, Mommy 3D. I mean, Mommy 3D they call her. Mommy 3D they call her. I mean, Mommy 3 waiting. Mommy 3D they call the woman what is saga single mother. I know say day everybody body. Whether you are a single mother, you are a married woman, it day everybody body. Now married woman they turn to single mother. Some people will see their husband house today, they go see turn to single mother tomorrow. Not be lie. Na character. So people, the man where they born for, not be their rightful husband. You understand? At the end of the day, they go jam the rightful one, they go still marry that one go still turn them to single mother. The one for the manifest go tell us single mother. Oh, we are here now, be now. Oh, that former. Meaning, not be every man where you born for go be your husband or your life partner. As a young girl, young lady, where they grew up, definitely you must encounter temptation. You must encounter one or two problems in life so that you can learn how life be. You know, our father used to make parable that time say, "If you know what can you buy or I will." Meaning, waiting they pursue young girl, they go outside. You go so pursue one enter house. Those days, if young girl just they grow breast, they come. If just they grow bobby, they come. If bobby just they stand, if the everything just stand, they go they shake. The thing go they shake am. You go they shake. And this morning before a man talk to her, you don't run go outside. Before your parents talk to her, you don't run go outside. Get out of mind. Say that's the way they pursue you. They go outside. You go see her for outside. One day, that's it go pursue you enter house. You can't stay 6 months, 8 months for inside house. You're not going to come out again. You're going to throw away speeds. You understand? That means the meaning of that parable. Say, even though what can you buy? Or can you la owa? I don't know why you la owa. Or do I be la se kwa owa? Or do I You understand? So those things really happens to a lot of our women, both home and abroad. A lot of things make our women become a single mother. So our women come here for Olosho matter. At the end of the day, then they use Oibo, they run things for normal job. But they get Daki as a boyfriend when they're really serious, they want to marry. But at the end, some of the Daki go they see and say, this one where they go, they hustle, they come, they bring money, come so. I'm not going to marry this Olosho. The highest they can do to that woman, they go turn that woman to single mother, dump the woman, she go marry another girl. Some of them even they marry the girl with their own baby mama bring come abroad to come hustle for her. It happened for abroad. A lot of people get different experience about being a single mother. You understand? So inside them being a single mother, they don't see life. Some of them are responsible single mom. We have responsible ones. We have the irresponsible single mom. Just the way we have irresponsible single fathers, we have an irresponsible single fathers. The responsible single fathers are the ones that take responsibility of their children. Despite they are not still married to that woman, they still cater for the kids the woman had for them. Those are the responsible single fathers. But the irresponsible single fathers don't give a F with that woman and the children anymore. They don't even care. The children go eat, you don't go eat, you don't have their business. They move on with another woman. You understand? Those are irresponsible single fathers. We always, this year, let me bring that initiative, come and say, every woman out there, you are a single mother and the father of your children is not taking responsibility of your children. Carry the call me, I will go drag them, come out for this social media. You understand? Maybe they call it take responsibility of their children. By the grace of God, the first one we will do for this social media, we don't get the ending. Even as we speak, on Sunday here, then they return the bride price of that woman with it for France. We carry a baby papa come out on this social media. On Sunday here, and the bride price was returned. The woman not free now. If you not anything, the woman get 4 children for this man, and this man doesn't move on with that woman. And not the woman where the man move on. That one where they carry the on this set clothes for a year. You understand what they set clothes? That's the what they call the set clothes. Ni your husband now they talk about now. So to God be the glory. They are peaceful now. There's peace and harmony between them. You understand? No more go. The father and the man not they ask of his children. Not they send the children small things and say hands rich. Because the man not they work. The man not get documented. That says the man document. You understand? So we understand this. We settle the matter peacefully. Inside there, we also have a useless single mothers. When everyone made the father call the year of children because of the child benefits. They don't want to hear say the man, they will call the children. They don't want to hear that. We get some mothers like that for this abroad. It plenty. Louis, let Louis we be actor wait bah. He get picking for this abroad. We be say the woman not even want me the family of the Louis the year from that picking anymore. I don't understand several times for you. That kind of a woman now will kind of a good mother, not bad single mother. You understand? So mommy Trinity, I beg. They help me, they wear them. All those useless single mothers will not get sense. Why have you born here? Why this Christian? So I watched a video this morning of Precious Meg coming out to blast mommy TVD. Precious Meg, Precious Elede, mommy black and white.
Oh, Frank, where we swing him and Agnes, you go and where they are swinging.
Oh, now, a Precious Meg. You know, As we speak now, you didn't even know the father of your first son. The black one with inside. You don't know. For Padova. You don't know. Now, you see how your single mother sword association is being a nuisance. Now, I'm waiting the man had to ask of the child. Una wekba, edakivema, una wele lebo, oyibo, where they like rotten things. Oyibo, where they like what they smell. Oyibo still reject you, precious man. Ebo no like him no where. Uwe no where, no where, na fuen. Ebo na reject where. God, oh God, oh God, oh God. The black people are boy, are sweet. Are sweet, man. Are sweet, precious man. Precious man, get one. He just be a user. Thomas Borona. On Ebo reject. We're plugging that up in now. Because now, cool, I know right now. Now, Ebo na rejected. Oh, we have precious men. Precious men now came. The platform in Nogi. Not just only insulting Mommy 3D. You also go further to insult the mother. We hear Mommy 3D is a single mother. You understand? We hear Mommy 3D is a single mother. According to Precious Meg. Now, good Samaritans, Aproko people, cut the video, go give Mommy 3D. Mommy 3D and Precious Meg, na so they be. Wagagmo so at this social media now. Any man boy see problem here. Mommy 3D now come out, come they analyze the video where Precious Men call for a no gay platform. They humiliate her, not just only humiliating her, also humiliating our mother for Africa. The woman now come paranoid. For you to insult our mother, and mind you, our mother not be single mother, according to Mommy 3D. And a lot of people that know Mommy 3D started climbing up and said, nah lie, our mother not be single mother. They know Mommy 3D. They know Mommy 3D. Now Mommy 3D, what you can pay me pass? Mommy 3D come the live video, they insult Precious Men. Precious Men come call. Say somebody just call her and say, Mommy 3D the live video. They insult her. You know? Precious Men so they made. Say I seen this so, but at least you know the what's the entire talk, you know the entire talk. You know the entire talk. How you cut internet no get platform? We like to talk. Why you like no get platform? We don't know how call you no get platform. We don't know so Mommy 3D. We like to talk, Precious Men. Now, Mommy 3D now, so they expose you. Who are Mommy 3D? What call? Mommy 3D now so they play your audio. Only one audio, Mommy 3D play just now. Maybe I don't hear. Only one audio. Now he play. Now she play. We are here. It just to be like what's happened between me and you. I don't know why this woman, what it change. What if you were here? Wogi. Now tell the social media. Precious Men. Uroge Monica. It was a toge. Uyoge me platform Monica ya gweze. If yanyagbe, uyari ya platform Monica wa. Now, mare wewe ya nyanu we me ya una sien botok nyen bugu. At the end of the day, we might go on there, might call a video call, and I'll bring out proof. Una kemakba, una area well, I was one bar, una ya team as well, I was one bar. I was one bar, okay, let's call a man. I don't remember away from Victor. Now I love you. Get. Matu me I love it. Matu me I thought I was one bar. I have been the boy on Facebook, but concerning I was about to even memoir, Edwy. Yamati was on a matter with a time, why I started with Facebook. Now I talk about Ben on our food. At the end of the day, Precious Meg, why I end who are part of Tessa about Bugame. Oh, we are in Nigeria. Who can about the ticket in Nigeria? I will carry Nigeria every year. Once in a year, I will care every once in a year of January. Oh, yeah, we carry Nigeria. Then from January to December, Nigeria. And you say you are a responsible single mother. Who responsible as a single mother?
No be juju be that.
My brother, not be smarting with the people abroad. Mama Tiridi, la Gumia Belly, and that's going on. Gumia Silly and Ladia. They blasted. I tell your back. In the time when now, Mommy Tiridi, me, I stand with you 247. Uga where useless single mother. Where you wear any all you talk. Uga a single mother no end booking. Remove yourself or whatever insult you are giving to single mother. It's none of your business. Because of no end booking.
Frank, sorry to obstruct you. Oh, lady ni oh, and the banner again, Matana to Tana, the video lady. Oh, lady ni marry of a single mother. You make it clear, or make it clear where any woman ni every life automatic money is a bastard. You understand? On my way, all single mother, Obenge, analyze or explain say any children, any woman not be any don't have money, not do me money. Automatically, those children are bastard. Then why you no give like that single mother? Let me ask you. Do you people know how many single mothers we have in this earth? Media, I'm going somewhere. Wait, I'm going somewhere. Do you know how many single mothers we have in this earth and how many single fathers we have in this earth? It's only the useless ones. Any name you have effective. Do you understand? It's only where either no time where anybody know where every Edo anemi mo ni avian ladian. Anyone no ladian apart for that lady. Because you know why? All of them are the problem of that relationship.
Exactly.
That is why they refuse to come out. You understand? A single mother that will know when he's explaining in the public, he will never explain where he made mistake. That kind of a single mother is already a red flag to all men that is responsible.
Yes.
You understand? It's just like when a man is talking, oh, you know, not soon between your vocal or man taking you not wrong. That man is also a red flag to all women. Because Ezra is not wrong.
Exactly.
Okay, this woman came out on explaining me on my way all single mother. Or my way single mother, or when any single mother we know they allow if father children, they call it children. Una go listen where they all of una now the condemn ones where born children benefit. Now what are they call you now? Now children benefit now una born. Then una come out, all of una go gather for one platform because if that person no praise single mother, he no go see followers. You no go see gift. All of them go gather there. Una no sit down ask una self say this person, so is he helping us or is condemning us? Una see una fellow woman wey contest some of una truth. For una to turn back, no look where una for made mistake. Una begin dey bash the woman. Some come and begin dey say na so they go do a shebi for a marriage. Wait till una no see. Wait till I no rich, una so na go do a shebi for a marriage. When they begin the polo and now begin the change months. More na change. If you know say you be useless single mother, just dey cry, No rest to just dey cry. If you know say no be useless single mother, remove your ear for anything concern single mother.
Well, not that way, the truth still remains the same. A single mother no marrow or idaro. Ogunoro wodo no marrow. Ogunoro wodo idaro. Mola the social media way adulterous woman must stop. The man with single mother must stop. Who be the adulterous woman? Not be woman with the husband has. Is it not better being a single mother than to be a married woman be sleeping around your matrimonial home? It is better being a single woman.
Adulterous woman must stop. Even so much of it do fight against we okay carry. I am me a dead. I am making a ugina.
God bless you.
You know what? There is one thing. When the truth is coming, if you want to defend truth, it's very easy. But when you want to defend lie, you will be using lie to defend lie more.
Single mother, ne mommy 3D wagbinayi. My sister, me, I'm assuring you, if that's your content, continue with it. Wa kioyan, better style, wa have your body yan. Ale single mother no ma negbe, ni filomo kwaliro, igba ogomo, ni kwele rather fin, wa have your body, wa disgrace yan. It's none of my business. Because very meji, I was a single father before I become a married man. I can't marry in Nigeria. I was a young boy with marriage. He came go now marriage. Put court marriage everything where in Nigeria came will not be me. You understand? He ain't like webu. But when we divorced 2022, 2020, I separate a divorce in Nigeria. From 2020, I've become a single father. In a quag go you wa. As I tell you webu. In a quag go a numero to. Na quag beg sigma chop the flesh and leave the bone. More understand me now. No quag mo go na quag joy. Yeah, I go na my here for. On my here for. Well, my gamma go be over for. Yet ya monya who you wa. I will go ya single for that again part 2 the webo. So I have to use my head. Is it the children that is more important than I'm looking for? No. I get a lot of responsibility for Bongo. Even who say 6 children. Even who say 23 years old, even young 6 good children. Even who say right now we are not 5. You understand? All those children, they are all on my neck. Bro, in my TV now, if you make they are on my neck. If we are 6, you know, by 6. No, they all senior to me. If you get them audio, they are elderly. They cannot come in that way. So you have a brother going to a sister going to go. You're on my neck because back you go say you go say bros, bros. Your boy lawyer, bros, you must still look for something for her. You know they get the big part. You understand? Then it okay very well say we want to swan abune ko back. Wa biele, umo biedo. Wa biele. Egani mi ga biele na ekita we bo bia ye gba ore mo ni give wusa be wa. Wusa ma go le mo. Ogo we have biele no go na no biele we I'm start thinking of bringing your family to here. Very well ya gba ore mo na biele we na he we here ga o. And unfortunately you are a man that loves children. Come on, I've you when they not take it down. You understand? They go say, I'm not being able. My was the problem now. If I'm doing work of Yania, no way, you may do what university you. I want them, I want to do all ye, university or kind of hell are you? Quack, marriage school, you're going to be pay MY. They was one of the muke. So go down to one beer like poor. Si come on, come bien with them, we have levels a lot of one marrow who don't understand the way. That's why you see some men go there abroad, they go there with woman for you. The woman go born for you. Here, go in the what could they what the hell? Because of one other problem today. You understand? Okbeakia le logo, kakabok ba wuto, very clear. Ukayago wawegi. Your status in abroad. Do view if I do de okay now, okay, so I biele. If any bura webo, or more ya mebe, they don't have that capacity to have kids. But because of why are ne beme kenare, I'm a kono kodama we on money waiting my love you because you will not expect that child. Do you know what it takes when a man is looking for a child? He now give birth to a child. That child will be a queen or a prince in the life of that man. A man here has somebody out of here. Or when you misbehave, or don't money, or you are still or you are dog money. But the other way around abroad now, because of child benefit, because of documents, because one or two or the other, the truth is bitter, we have to say it. Have it in mind. You as a married woman today, Is the level they do the man marriage now your own? Not be out of pittiness. If a man marry you out of pittiness, or the man give you belly because say you as the woman you want the baby, or rather the man himself want the baby because of documents, you must become a single mother one day. One day, you will become a single mother. Check it out. Most of these men complain. You give me a banana, or not ma. You give me a banana, or not ma. I'll give me a document, I'll give me misbehave. I'll give me a document, I get back home because the man was not there for real love, for genuine love. But if man love you, men are women who are behind bedside, and yeah, go and cool. He will live with you because of that baby. Because he waited for that child to come. He know the kind of thing where you give her. Now what you cherish now you give her. He go there with you 247. We are in here. Oh you move okay. Oh you beg. Oh you go to the Azon here. We have many men like that, bro. Everything as well. They're in love. How many of our men abroad are in love with women like that? Only Yarima. Oh, bros, forget that. You go hard. You understand? Because of the character, it was man. It's a war. It's a war. He have respect no bia. He have respect no bia. Ni boom yok bia fune. Abasunwe. Averi man okaware ne dede. Averi man oblige ni betatu yegbe. Ni yesingle fian mo cheni yuru. Yeah, mami go, when you dollar what you say, I feel cool. You listen. Averi man afi pangolo no se vigoji. Any orient, ik biarima ni bon wa bona. Any veut swim en never stone fin ko rima ni bon. Ik wono solo boya ik biedo. Ik wono regba na ko ni nwa ko ni ma ko ni mose, ko ni nekebe ko ni nwe. Ik wono ne kono ma. Solo boya. But unfortunately, the reverse now becomes the other way around. Because most of our men, you imagine those days. Are you there now? Unmute yourself, unmute yourself. Okay, I'll mute you. Lady Shop, oh yeah. Mute you. Press on mute. I'm in the press on mute. Unmute yourself. I'm in the okay, my honor.
Domo. I want you to bury out. Oh yes, sir. Domo.
I'm a cat back when no level on your government. Very important.
I'm no.
When you're moving, we are doing.
It is I do. Domo.
A beginning. Ice Nigeria.
I don't get the bawa. Yeah, come in. Domo.
I don't shine right.
Is that pure? Is that pure? My yo. And I see go now.
Well, I
can't me. I will be good. You will be good and go away.
Are you imagine when you're not get it?
You go to send the government. You went by the barrel. Amagba. You don't send the government. I worry about it. You got that the barrel, myself.
Voilà. You
want it there. You need there. Domo. If you are here now.
What's up?
Oh, you see, I said I can't know by. Only, Otuto me biaka. I hope you have move.
Nemo biaka no nemo biaka.
Only Umenwan international. What all?
Okay.
Ni ai me wa we la jakara wa hin ewe. Ya mo ewe gi egbe. Yin wana, yin ni hin ewe wana.
Ole abakati wa yira.
Hey, why ye? Me no wa face ya. You wa face only a market. Yan we ni ya mo ewe no me. No. Very big go.
What the
year? 150.
You must see.
150. Bros, we no so no na ni ha mo yo pa E ka o e ya de o le kara. So na okay 70,000. So iyan na we an size uhun ni me mo kinegba epa. O ma gba na na the platform na ni bu were we no wa we your boyfriend awe ma iwa de cow enwu ya we am iyan sa we ha mu hu no ro yin o ka 70,000 naira na e kenu we ye ima mi go ya du hu e ba na by cow
also when I get melusa
ya kan he melusa mi we melusa enwu hu
e cow gbeje won ya why you dey cow
o egbe we ya mu la mari na me de cow ne me de cow yi na iwa bros na iwa ye na e cow omonare bere ayan yi mu so now 70,000 naira yan sise cow ba yan mu hu eyin so yan we mu kini egbe we yan kuwe so wala wa we obe 70,000 me ni make na mo fu cow mana we kenu waye oka hu o iwa mo cow ge oka gbe enwu hu o me no je o wa boyen ye mata na
Pero vamos a cena. Essa tá só uma coisa cow. No you for my hand.
Ima seti e da ge gbe mi water fake life package packaging eyo ni ge yes so na truth metal na the truth okay I work at 70,000 if not they will seize the cow no head when me can have a demi wo no head
Wa we go to talk
no me say na melu
I fast wa we go dey 70,000
no me say na melu I want buy
she's my daughter wanna give us 70,000
when I give me 70,000 I go buy full cow e pa area na where we your body man ke we ma woni me we ma Nigeria na time we pa mi we ma time we pa mi
no say man we you ya
e we da wa ton awa won pa mi e pa ke ni ye thank God you beg ye ki oli ya ina do okoko oko we mo dion e we ri do soton e mo do can you imagine e we do soton when egbe your na boyfriend wa go wa in other way marriage 75 euro me land no one you God forbid do e wa no ba no wa go wa cuz 1-0 o man wa 0 me ba me we marriage ma baba
ulo na marriage baba when
manage 70 euro you
where me manage 70 euro
the full cow now 1.380 I don't give them 1.301 so the 70,000 they say they don't give me the head Anna, you won't me ye, or you're not sister.
Yeah, cut with nothing cut with down. But when it's 70,000 again,
hey, I've got in there. You do my cat. Cut off.
I cut with my cut with them.
I better give my cat.
Not going to go to 70,000. We are. I don't know
where what.
24
00 574 150 Zenith Bank. Oh, I'll be fine. No, me I want me low. I said, "Pa me wala wa de pa me me." Yeah, what in it? Yeah, we a problem for. Ani mami we odek odun we ka oba me en wa you know. Wa ofu. Wa go vin. On be oven black men. Cause man re man gbon yan re man. Voilà, il fait mo se.
Opa menwe wa to pe rave. Ubere egbe ma ve sister na, egbe na a okeke na ri yobo na. Oma wuye meti de 1 million yo to. Kero rike egbe na meri yobo na. Ave ne oke awe bere wa talo video. Wari yobo me oke awe marriage wa talo. Ubere o won la diana ona sekwe aye. Ye mie 1.3 yo to 70,000 rike. Egbe ma veri ana aferi yobo ni aga iye-eki.
Not be that.
Aga okieke. Eriame product ima veje ugbenso. All that yan ukiato uado imigo umai migo noya wemuna. Umai migo noya tweki.
God bless you.
Noya discharge from hospital. Egbeni yari oni yan agwa kiyan wa so dedegbe. Mama, drop your account. May we bless you. Who got me?
Don't drop the account number. What's it be the name of the account number?
Imagine, Mandele, I have na ya we to say. Imagine kenon yeah. In our way that key. E can hear way.
In the records now. Martini now.
Obama messing.
Obama messing.
Yes.
That's good.
But we say that. One more time, carry Nigeria. Easy. You know, easy.
You have facing this one. We have facing this one. They face news. They face everything. What? We our way, 10,000 naira ya wona. Ogo
See, Senior Victor, not
Frank, who we are me, when I rugwe here. The no yame we be over two. Where my winning many here, rugwe here. What me,
Nigeria?
commander.
I know fine.
So quel non star. Go consider Fala.
I don't shame. Why not? Thank you.
Okay.
I don't see my hair. 5,000. Very
With this fella.
One way do my sister.
When they put money for the account, 10,000, 5,000.
One way do my sister. How much? This one 5,000. Which one again says? This one 10,000. My leg 5. Belly. What?
Oh,
other than 35,000. Why again? What the what?
Everybody put the forehead there, woman. We yes,
I will set up banner. I thought it tough enough. I thought it tough enough. I thought it tough enough. Only market, but you know what, Marcena? Oh, whatever. Oh, air condition. I'm a sort of that. What are they fun, man? What are they telling us? Go out with better than AC River, and now we are going to know. Oh, what is what? Give me is that tell me? I don't have mama. You're fine. I'm fine. Who beg you? Man. Ah, you want to get your move. No move with me too. Hey, you may have fun now.
When they cut biscuit, cut biscuit.
I want to go. I'll wait to him. Hey, mama. Oh, belly. Oh, belly.
Oh, yeah, we.
I beg it. You're so tough. I will.
Yeah, man, you're piano.
What may be on? Oh, so now. Oh, 5K. Oh, we're back. See, but no, okay. I went to my medical condition. You, it tell me only 65, and I will wear almost €50. Now, what's it? Email 1 hour is €12. I'm receiving a journey. Email. He gave me on away 5K, and I will lie, and I will mammy. I will always be. Somebody loud. A cold water on the balloon. I'm gonna give you water.
Exercise, you know.
I want no. EJ. I could a poison. No one am a gualo. Oh, no, have a makeup with that yourself. You me, no care way 65. Now you me only 7K. 7K. I will have a few name, me move. I fell.
What power, sir? I don't know.
What power, sir? The boy woman. Yeah, when is it big Baba Johnny man? So why your time? Why I'm feeling when I feel like why one? Yeah.
Love it, not my friend now. You don't know. Yeah. Laveti. Oh yeah. Why feel you go? Why feel you go? I think that's not bad. When I drop something for an account number here soon. Ogbomo Mercy Johnson. Why did Johnson by Ogbomo Mercy no? You got to my point now. When I bless the woman.
Ayo gye me ana.
I bless her.
Eni me here ya mo ayi no na we do ban na lash no rama because 15 year wanna ba be kekisa.
Very funny woman.
I tell you that Jesus 15 year we ban. They do ban for because of ban for 15 not done. €1 no, €1. Opolo beti.
Abia ye spaglu a go me spaglu. We spaglu no we yo. Ka boy spaglu no go ni we bondi e ti bon for. Spaglu no ka bo we gbe ni o boy. We ti use setting ke a je we bo. You get my point now. So then this woman wait and see for this script. So now I can't number there. So she want to do our father burial this Friday, Saturday. It is done. She said she needs support. Anything we do with her, we could assist her. We could help her. It's done. Nigeria network not bring her down. Now account number there. So Ogbomo Mercy. That be the name of the account number. So that I wish. Gonna show her love. We are also tough for national peace to reign. And as I was saying about Mommy 3D, about the single mother that is going on social media. You understand? If you know you are a responsible single mother, keep to yourself. But you see, this is the responsible one, and they decrease because why? They know this the Mommy 3D they expose them. I mean the thing they paid them for body where say that woman they expose them, they insult them, they saga them. You understand? It just be like the time of adulterous woman must stop. Why are they talking? When I came home, I say adulterous woman must stop. I know how people say come for me. Big. They saga me. You know if you stop adulterous woman, even both don't even know say they even know say this person adulterous because the person they give the money, they support them for this social media. But today, where are those people who come to saga me? They don't do the backyard. My backyard, they did my back because they refuse to stand for truth, for sincerity. You see, Mommy 3D, my sister, I beg, continue your good work. That's not your what will your stand. So me, I just support you. I just come to the why have you born here? Just they say all of them, not even say anyone, not even say some. Say all of them. Many one are so no everywhere you wear it. If they don't want to pepper them, make they pepper them. Because I don't see many stupid single mother. All of the comments. This maturity. Ke ave ne bomu yo wa. Ke ne bomu yo wa. Ma only go. Na ma emu go yo. No born for benefit. All of them say Mommy 3D. If I enter TikTok this side, Mommy 3D. I don't even know this one before. Now this I come with the ask my wife, honey, who be Mommy 3D? Why she don't know her? I say I don't know her. Who be Mommy 3D? Why come with the find the picture, the comments? I can't see her. She dance. What did this woman do there? Where everybody always say Mommy 3D. What did this woman do? You see the woman they talk to single mother. All of them fall out from her. I think if you don't say you don't be useless single mother. What you can say for your side? Not until this morning. I just did part of the play game. I said, they play game. Somebody send me video for TikTok. I click enter the video. The person don't come on for live. And live video, the person. So I click enter the live. The person don't come on for the live. Live don't end. Say live end. You know when live end, you go enter another person with the live. Live will enter this Mommy 3D. View. I see the thing pump up. They talk. I don't even know what it is. I can't just stay there, they watch, they listen. And they listen. Now continue to say, okay, now this one they come on Mommy 3D. I can't they watch you. She can't play this useless woman with the Germany video. Precious man. I can't say, Precious man is saga this woman. Eh? What will Precious man do? You black and white. What will you black and white? Obi Oba. Onegbe. Ofureo. Now say he. Since you ofureo see the talk. The neighbor say, this matter don't read like this. We are off for the talk. On Egbe, but yeah, Egbe fuere. I say, okay, now. This for me 3D. Me I was supporting my guy. Oh, no, my me I was supporting. As far as say, oh, yeah, ba. On Egbe, but yeah, when I be a mono for be a monegui, and not for my monegui, mamu. Are ma weri ma ore. Ou bien ne ma mou. On avait bien enough for save mou. Oh, even wa on ma on down working. Some women born for Daki not carry their picking. They cannot take responsible. As they born for Oyibo they take their responsibility. Now my sister born cook and fata. Still on still. When I bagay, il y a gagné. Oh Jesus, if when you boom bien nebo, they are enjoying, they are driving car. Prospect even driving license. After many years in Deutschland, and driving license. Oh yeah, please come academy. Oh yeah, Uber. Prospect with big name, they need driving license. Useless, adulterous, stupid, illiterate woman. Big name, you don't get driving license for Germany. You they use yourself, they compare me. See me, either of yesterday, I mean, what's your monzo? You don't see the woman when I go marry, classic woman. Any yak bad, a bill, driving license, or any raw. Or balance. You don't hear one day since I do live video, say, one person come and say, I've been ex-boyfriend, or I've been ex-husband. You don't hear that? Before I come on media, on dirty life, start with your media, ja. Oh, you know, Asaboro, why you poto? Asaboro. Are Padova? Why are Preosman? Go and see the story of Preosman in Padova. But I have que Switzerland the other no way. But the Preosman Yamako in no way. On a give a boyfriend of Padova on the way on Yako. No, a first, no, a precious no be an go, you know. Hey, merci. Gwagwa. You know, say I can't the boy picture come out last 2 years. Who you claim is the father of your first child? Who denied that baby where anyone could because you were pregnant when you came from Norway. We are big in Norway. You get to my point now. Una ke part one le. You don't go Germany, go shop at Duro. Oh yeah. Where can I go on your label? Hey, bought Germany, Vegas there, good. Versus loose. Loose is my pekus. Loose is my ungo. It's being a pekus. It's being a contos. It's being a laloi. It's being a doggy. Oh, versus loose. Loose is my doggy. Oh, versus loose Vegas. Oh, Vegas is my doggy. Oh, Vegas there. Vegas there. Vegas there. It's been in that month. It's been. I'm a fiaba. At the web bread now. I'm a fiaba. No, Gamma. Prayers making nice one. On that single with that part two. 2 children, 2 papa. I do my drink. Who were these 2 children, 2 papa? Never mistakenly working. Oh my hand. Oh my hand. I love you, baby girl. For the contours you gave to me. The contours is so sweet. The contours sweet me, my love. I am taking you to the altar of the Most High God. If I cannot pay your bride price because you live here, you come from Nigeria. Nigeria is so far. Let me take you to Komunedi, Mayor. Mayor of the Komu, please come and with us. Everywhere. Oh, we're Bogodo. Gogosien, I'm going to go. So as you young zobo rich, Utemwe lagba ni yomo. Unyueme o eromo. Ugbeke yomo o ni yomo. Unyueme o eromo. Igemwe gbada ni yomo. Unyueme o eromo. Gbeke yomo o ni yomo. Unyueme o eromo. Unyueme o inye yotane. Wake winane no gbeke yomo o. Wake gide no gbeke yomo o. Inyueme o eromo. Inyueme o inye yebedi. Wake winane no gbeke yomo o. Wake winane no gbeke yomo o. Inyueme o eromo. Inyueme o gawe uwa. Wake winane no gbeke yomo o. Wake gide no yedogi yomo o. Inyueme o eromo. Umwe mi o mapakpeka. Bogi no. Dakiri no. When we mama shege for that liku sere we bona. Abo penaki. Abe mi ati ayi. Brett Ogbekwa, my guy. You understand no Nigeria. Kede patinya na we share shege for das. Ina merowa. Where yowa. You forget those days. You will be galavanti. In you email. Gale uwa. Gale akbeko nuge miam miameo. Gale ivye kwe nuge miam miameo. Uwemeo, erowa. Uwemeo, erowa. Uwemeo, if you go, when you know, nobody, not ye wear your tower, precious and lady. When we wear yes, we wear yet go, precious in Megimeo. Everywhere when doggy, precious in Megimeo. I quick wet tongue bill, precious in Megimeo. Gumania wapo, Garia Comune. Yahweh marriage you, Yahweh. Marriage you, Amamia will bow. See right wo ya, Anna will hold you go home. See right well, Anna will go yourself home. And saying ya do you, you know. Marriage you, Amamia will bow. Oh, I will copyright. Oh, boy, we copyright. Oh, we you get my point now. Precious Maggie. When you basha was say, una basha a part of the Italy. Una big a part over. Oh, you know my war a part over. By no. Part over Italy. Chewina River are part over. We are now arriving in Padova. No more we part over. By Gano. Oh, Samede black boy. He's a lobo. Why we are provoking again? Ibari we saga. Ni we are viewing the bulladia. Oh, Samede black boy. You know Samede black boy, one of Padova. Eziza, ewe. Precious elede, shift closer. Come closer, shift. Momitiri or where single mother so short a single mother so that's true. What can where can Momitiri if you are a responsible single mother, why will you attack that woman? You can let the woman they talk until when you talk, it not concern you. After all, you know that you are a responsible single mom. It's none of your business. If you don't measure your name, you can come for her. As far as you don't measure your name, you have the right to insult that woman mother. Women rights no accept on Egypt in Nigeria. We just single mother no. Who does that? When we now where or vie, or think bokom or here nyawe. The webo. Precious elede. Akbanugu. Amakpa wa part 1 or 2. Amala wa part 1 or 2. Uene gagbe yegbe wikoto. No more coke no worry. It's no way, no way. It's no not a we here. When I pray, speak you call no way. And ye pay me go your sula. And you this are stupid, useless single mother. Ya said bear. My former girlfriend again. Nia we are Prado lo show. Only one of no way. Nahana. It may you fear back in the camera road. Back, stop. Back. We have big beer here no way. In fact, you have where you jam. Yeah, wait. Me have to read. Me I could be ventures ye bello be in a hovering good. Oh, Sakmano molest ye me a ticket. The camera road. Driver on the wheel. Here you just to be on another ticket. Abi ko ni me gwa kala gbasa ko be no we. Messi ku ring road. Messi ku. Make it. One chance. La rewa smally. Well, ticket we pay ticket no we now. E pa me penis. Ye ticket we. E pa so dai. E pa leave my door. E pa you leave my door. What's this up? E pa you leave my door. What's this up? E pa what's this up? Wa ho we toa. Ye go bi. O bi 3 days we are wa have you wa ho mi na we. Ring grow. E agbo we agbo bi 3 days wa have here. Wa have o we mi na we. Wa ho to wa say ring grow. Mema we. Ena wa gia ki yo ete wa de we yan no we. We snow. E de na e wonia. Mo we do are we bona do atizuwa. Shame to una. Abi ko ni kwe mu. No, wa no yo ekeri wa me we bu. Wa ya yo ni gbugwa respected boy as a mother, as a single mother. No e kwa we left with your children. Je. I'm about to no cause anyway. Then we defend no who your money, who defend the hewe ko la wadia. I drag one woman for this social media. The woman you call me after my live broadcast. The woman was watching, not talk. He just let me do live. As I do live, the finish, but the woman you carry for your call me. The padamo say, I'm not know the person. Or we men no more sagasi no. Where I don't trust woman. We Laho. Give no soon. The woman explain and said, as she explained, I said, I not come back again the second day because I got that woman again. Imagine the Beladian, those guy woman again. You know why I explain? I just feel that pain. And I said, man, don't worry, forget. Mentally die, forget mentally wounded. No. In case of next time, don't try that nonsense again. You understand? You know, man. But be very, very careful of what you are doing to people. Because tomorrow, they will use it against you. If he says. Most of the things where they talk now, when this women they do all these things, they don't know social media will come up. They'll call this on the mock. Anna Hinai. Come on. You understand? They never talked about this way. Edokpayi now do ya nonsense nagiya. Iya bu abi ko ni bubu you do have rubbish now. Well, look here. And I will be coming for you guys very soon. My name is Bibiana. Iya girl give me a. No we shut down no oh go agbera. Admin on one day I will go to question block it right here block me now. You understand? Why is a guy mommy 3D? Why is a guy woman? Why give woman a qua we know? Why give a tell no ta? Why is a guy? Or that one woman like a yoke by one. We are like no ta comment yo. Unless we or go where go so anyway. Or ask anyway, you have the platform to reply her. You can reply her. You have the platform to saga her. You can saga her. If you don't want to saga her, do your thing normally and live there. It's very simple. I will you. You understand? The whole of my team up. This one, mommy 3D. This one, mommy 3D. This one, mommy 3D. Anyway, gather me. That's all of my gather me. When I come up with a don't trust woman will stop. I think when you get what that's all of my gather me. Me they let the woman know say my sister. That kind of issue, that kind of content where we say everybody they gather you, non stop, continue. Non stop that kind of content, non stop continue doing it. Something there under it where you don't understand. I greet you.
Oh, for oye mommy 3D na e matter na e dey bag why because who ni we no ya saga single mother so too much igbe who na me odo we no ya you koro.
Madam, Madam, uga e wene ne mi ma affect you e ka we de bai.
Oma affect me, oma affect me. I'm a single mom. Oma affect me. But only when you are saga single mom too much.
My sister, my sister, me I know what are very simple. Then well, I have a TikTok in a way. Have a single mother na ekwene. Eribi ya mi ya. Wa stopping nonsense in it. Then we keep TikTok when I tell me.
He met him bad and don't take me on why because he character. When you only are saga single mother or too much.
On an enemy na taban. On an enemy na ta. Apa we to wa praise single mother na. Up wa ye wa like eh.
I met him on my what you are born or understand. The single mother will better. I'm not stupid. If single mother no my neck bay. If me a lad answer we could defend me as a single mother all over better. If you go in man. On my name or don't know when I when I walk name or don't way.
My sister, I want to know when your back grew or temo here. Why is it that my no you name? What has
Emi na ma no we no ya te bone single mother me dey against.
Okay, me I know where Mudia me I know where my sister me I know where now can an agbo then atemata. How many single mother ni yeso ni here? Okay. Mudia bana me wo ogoni ladi ata where iku na ekweneri bi ya mi bi ya. A bastard in a beer, one are the only more. Wamaka walk a key, ni akuni a mivia, Wamaka we are delegate no bonata, if not Banoka can it on my mivia. Okay,
but yeah, in Yavem with Benoya, yes, or wrong, when your mamma would be near. What an anamo we blaming Yamakweni, Yani Makweni, Koni Makweni, I wasn't an anamo blaming in Kokakabo. Why?
Because Daniel, one would blame me, here blame me, and I'm also near up. Uga Uru egg that with the Daniel, when the air broken away, you are in a way, which is 3 young way. Merti do get dimmer because any man I remember no book. You understand? And yet, if you go on your area, energy, people, man, not how they kill matter. Or one man in Nibiana is certainly body. Error. You understand?
My insult, my war insult, ma. They no ya tell me, Emma. If we so raw, single modern and a hana, if we so raw, that's me. Ikwesoro neno bia egba mata moko na yin moko wa ko na do finance ge o moko wa odo so bia ni ai automatically she become a single mother a different way man ibuya like single mother I am yoko no wodo rien I am yoko no ma mo egbe no ya on wodo oko no decide negi yin abie ko lo omo egbe no ya total yo wodo ni
sister
wo ya ma mo egbe no ya di wodo ya wo ya mo egbe no yin o ni egbe ya ke single mother nya we no ma gana pa awujo o ma zin gbezin pe o gana gaga yo
Daniel listen ubege ota emi vanuta ban owi ko soro le eribi ya pa ari ke no ri pa ari awa
yes automatically she's a single
Daniel
mother
you wait na mudia wait FWA the owner of the company about umaka we ikwe soro no wa to bi apariwo pa yobo bi anire we iyan yi gwa lo nda we iyan gwa lige government ma to ni bayo but the truth is in uta listen excuse madam the truth is in uta you put the blame in one particular gender my sister I want say dem there na ya me we mommy 3G kaya team no guitar. Because no nothing, you some of us begin to the top here we for made mistakes. Iranian society now
nobody
how we talk something to that you say person when your husband die single mother not be single mother na widow
Thank you madam.
God bless you madam. I know say na widow
let me say something please Don't be, let's be truthful to ourselves. You understand? Because I've not planned this a power platform once. I was just passing through. I hear what you were saying. That's why I climbed up. If you have opportunity to take care of your children, congratulations to you. If you have opportunity to be a single mother, congratulations to you. But don't ever you be coming to platform or on a wide social media be saying she's referring to one person. She's not referring to one person.
No, she's not talking to one person.
Let me say something, please. Let me say something because she just make a comment now, of which is not good. If some people, people are in this platform watching us, people will not think somebody's husband is dead, then it's a single mother. Excuse me, it's not a single mother. Anybody that lost his husband is a widow. Any man that lost his wife is a widower. For that reason, I beg you in the name of God, you should not be castigating it. The people that she's after, when you give birth to a child or a female or a male, please, in the name of God, you should let the men to be seeing their kids. That's our topic. She's not after whether you know what's the husband, so you want the share and they go. It's not of our business. If you intend to marry 10 husbands, be doing single more than they collect government money, they put up.
Now your choice.
At the end of 60 years, you wait for your choice. At the end of 70 years, you wait for your choice. At the end of 80 years, you wait for your choice because the gravity and the abuse,
the repercussion
is coming too much that even mothers of 50-something or 40-something or 60 coming to social media and crying of single mother. Excuse me. Excuse me. Where are those old women of olden days? When you marry a wife or you marry or you have a daughter, you say la wo and they say you go husbands, not go disgrace us there, not go back. Where are those mothers on social media? Where are those mothers on social media? Every day is castigating. Single. In the name of gift, people will be praising single mothers. People will get them and put for house. You put them for school. You shout on social media say, I don't go in Portsmouth, come from Nigeria. Excuse me.
What a useless word.
Let's go the spade here. The people are arguing. At the end of the day, after I don't go, they born for Kokobiri, they born for white. At the end of the day, your single meets black. You say you want to do single mother. You say come the father your children. Then the single mother come. You go tell the single mother say, marry me, marry my pikin. Marry me, marry my pikin. You go marry me, you go take care of my pikin. Excuse me. The man keep you belay that. What do you do those men? Let's go the spade here. Let's be true. I'm not a side person. I'm not a friend to anybody. I'm just me on this social media. But a spade to be. But if we say with the women, what they do as women, we say with the Christian, what they do as Christian. Okay. Because this thing don't too much. This thing don't too much.
Mama,
wife come before 2 days. Another person go call up here and go come up for husbands. You go they do single mother. Before you know again, you the bad egg don't scatter the good one. The next person say if you just both finish, you know not say money there. They go pay children money. Come up for husbands. And definitely, what are you estimating? Definitely single mother they increase everywhere. More they call the spade here. More they touch you as it be. More they casket them. If you hate the woman, just go on her DM or you go on her WhatsApp, tell her, say, Mother, I hate you. Mother, I don't like you. But not coming to social media. So what
to be defending nonsense.
To be defending nonsense. Men
are defending nonsense.
Men are suffering everywhere.
Shame go they let una they defend nonsense for public.
I don't even know her. I know her and I don't know her.
Because you don't talk about widow now, say person die. That make me come up because there are
what I mean? No, excuse me. What I mean about that widow?
I did comment section since they listing. I beg. I'm in comment section that they listing. If you don't be saying because people did this social media when I don't they see for Nana, people did this social media. My mates talk now. I want to talk. It don't make sense. It don't make sense.
Mama, excuse me.
If they talk now, I want to talk. It don't make sense. If now you will say fine, you be single mother, you give birth to your children, you take care of single. Somebody come up that they ask her only one question. She could not able to answer me. I said, Nana, you are taking care of your children. I'm a boss single mother. I'm a proud single mother. Will you allow your own son or daughter to marry single mother? She said, God forbid. Why will not God forbid? Why God forbid to come there?
And she's still looking for an innocent man to marry her.
Yes. And you say God forbid.
And saying God forbid.
Yes. Why you can't say God forbid to come there? Because you when you put person for single father, you put person for single, you say you enjoy single mother money. But now person want marry your pikin, you say God forbid, you say why equal. Why you not go? Why you not go quay? Why you not go agree? Because why? You know they lie the truth. The Bible says, say the truth and the truth will set you free. The nation will do so, the Europe will do so, it don't scatter so many things. Take it or you lose it. Women don't scatter so many things.
Now illiteracy, cause all these things well.
Why? After everything, you carry the man come at a 2 minutes man. How many man before all these days? Where did they see 2 minutes man? Where did they see romance? Where did they see everything? But now corruption don't full everywhere. And the man go first do this one. The man go first suck pussy. Before go first do all alue. Before I go do all this things. Many things is coming up. My mothers, may I tell you the truth? This one is just the beginning. The generation where they come now, if you not go pull her for her, not go pull her for her, go come up on her back. Because why Bible say, whatsoever you sow, so shall you reap. If you do man good, though, they come for you. And so lucky, I'm happy for you people. You on a born boy, on a born woman. If your daughter not reap, your son go reap. That's why I rest my case. For that reason, if you are talking on social media, mind the way you got your comments. You got your comments. Don't follow more people to think. Don't follow more people to be saying, they bully me. He call your name. You're not a root. Your root they match for there.
They go just come outside and introduce yourself to us with their speech that they are one of them.
For there. If you say single mothers not be your name. Like me, if I go for road, my name not be single mother. Person not fit come stop me for becoming single mother. It's not called for. But this one now they do out of hatred, out of one person, all of now just gang up again one person. What they pick the truth when they inside. There's an element of truth there. Let's pick the truth inside. Let's say this thing with this guy they talk so more reason for the left side, reason for the right side. Me, I'm not a friend to anybody. I'm not a social media person. I don't need from anybody. I'm okay with myself. But the truth must be said. Let's say the truth. Let's stand by the truth. So that our men will get freedom. So that our children will get freedom. So that our born children will get freedom.
Rest your case. May you drop your account number. Rest your case. You just speak.
Freedom every year. But now I'm not freedom again.
Madam, you don't try. Madam, you don't try.
Madam, I want to let me come in, please. You know why?
Madam, thank you.
You know why there are many for our side.
I appreciate you. Thank you.
You know why there are many? I believe say we will be the men. Now we see the concern. Ask me how. If to say all these single mothers where they come up for husband house without valid reasons, if to say we they abandon them for streets, the rest for the stay inside husband house. If to say the moment you as a man, as a responsible man, will know yourself, the moment you know say this woman a single mother, you start to run from her, you start to see her say this one a dangerous element. At least the rest for no say outside not they friendly. But some of us we go see come here, we'll see paint and single mother not be human being, single mother not be that. My brother, we not say not be human being. Very many of them, 99% of them not get better reason why they become single mother. Now just out of selfish interest, poor family background, lack of education, not just the worry many, child benefits. You don't defend, as this woman has spoken, you don't defend nonsense. Even if you do and hide yourself, you don't come to social media and be defending nonsense. Like Asaboro talk now, the author say men for Europe, they suck woman to me, I go they cry. Something that I don't do. I go they even imagine, are you sure this kind of men exist? Now waiting I go they talk. But these days, women go just they defend women for nonsense. For nonsense, because they feel say there are many other useless men that will bring them in tomorrow. Somebody, well, let me rest my case.
Hello.
Okay, sorry to ask you. What about the men where they turn the women to single mothers?
They're not the dump. 99% women were not dumped. Now they leave. 99% were not dumped by their men.
No. Why you can't join men like this? Why you go join men?
Madam, wait.
It's not about join men. Madam, try to be educated for once. Somebody has spoken to you. If you have the intention before, you stop it. Show me any dog where not they chop shit. May you show me now dog where you cheat.
So they shake me out for social media.
When they call dog where they cheat, where they use cheat bad. When are they defend nonsense? Like this woman said now. When I don't get her for my say, that kind of life. When I don't believe, it don't stop.
Mommy, let me
it don't stop. If you never fair listen to Umenwan when he start, Go listen to her. How can somebody just shamelessly come out to be saying I'm a proud single mother? Shame on you.
Shame on her family too. Because if the woman get responsible parents, she not gonna live useless life. Shame on her family background.
That came out from a good home.
Yes, shame on her family background also. How can you tell your parents?
To what you are saying?
Mama, how can you tell your parents?
Used to you and your family.
You will go abroad.
Woman just come and they say, na man, I turn it to single mother. If man turn any woman to single mother, the woman not go come out, go turn herself to married woman.
Woman will go abroad.
I mean, now man, when you born for night, it must be your husband. Why you guys twisting it? If you born for man, not me say it must be. Now you get picking for. Now you go born for. There are some relationship in this Europe with the see and white people. They go don't born somewhere. Then later they go come marry again. They go live throughout their life with that man. Now do all that affair. Which kind of nonsense? You call the proud say, what of the men where he make the woman? Which men? Which men? Una not they born? Una not born men? Una not born women? What you not say they not do so? You not do it to anybody. It's high time that we sit down with women. And wow, too much. Woman go back for man. He go say like, he not go put the name of the man because of child benefit. Woman go back for man. The child go grow 18 years plus, 30 years. That man, that baby, he not go know where he papa from come. He not go even know his papa picture. He not go deprive and say, he not go tell you burner. Europe say, me you put your papa name. Now you don't say na shameful act be that for your father. To come be father, your own biological father name, now your pikin called the beer. Shame on such women. Shame on such women. For being where from I'm a proud traditional woman. I'm a proud traditional evangelist and a prophetess. For being na man name. No matter how tough the relationship, na Jew woman, now they say na this man get this pikin. Man, I start to the carry now own biological child, go to give a papa, made the answer and a papa name. Shameful thing. It's never done before. Now papa get pikin. Now papa, now get pikin. Man, I let papa they take care of pikin because of child benefit. Today now see everywhere. Single mother, single mother, single mother. Nigeria now the same thing. Which kind of nonsense be that? Who he help? Who single mother help? If man make you single mother or you make man may come up for your life, you marry another one. You marry. Even in the Bible, mother of Jesus. He not born for the Joseph.
Frank at the common.
Joseph not get mama. He not get people. He not get Joseph children apart from Jesus. He not be Joseph. He bought the rest children for. Man are they shame. You born for man not marry you. That child now because now Jew be woman when make the man no say now he get belle where you born for her. Man I try to they show all our children papa. Man I try to let papa they take care of pikin. Even though na 1 cent, the lowest amount of money, papa they give pikin. Man I later they give him. I take God back now. Man I take all many of us don't wake up. Now when they talk at that time when I small. My grandmother, they say, bad thing, they born good thing with a cry. If all this bad thing called they born bad thing, I go be. Now, so bad thing, I don't they born now. Una where they claim this nonsense. They call the debunker. Then they do correction. You they call just get that. And that thing with that woman. What's your business? If you don't fit top better thing, go inside and tears. Then learn from the good ones.
Madam, your sister.
I don't even see the video. Yes, because what you said, you are bringing down the old women. You don't do that. We are not like that. Women are not like that. Mothers, there are still true mothers.
Are you the only person here?
There are still true mothers. There are still true mothers.
Why will you tell me to go inside?
We are women. We are mothers. We are mothers.
Do you know me before?
Shamefully go inside.
Shame on you.
Go inside. Everybody on the platform, they are against you. You are not even ashamed.
Against you? How? How are they against you?
How are they against you? You are still shouting. But their fruit you shall know them.
Am I your husband? Am I your husband? Did you know me before?
You only just came out to tell us the kind of home you came from.
Madam, go and hide yourself. Just go and hide yourself, please.
I pray that your children don't take after your
my
attitude.
My children will never take it. If your children will take it, my children will never take
shame
it.
Okay, you.
Excuse me. Shame on you.
Now, man, they tell you just now. Man, they tell you, make you shut up. He tell you something you bring proof.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Mommy, take it to your sister. Mommy, take it to your sister. Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Shut up. Shut up.
You know, just a shame.
You see, who they talk. See who they talk. You have video. Put your camera for video. May you know they talk. May God punish you for this. I talk to you. Better person go and like you just not talk to you.
You are a disgrace.
The matter put for head. Person matter kill you for
I'm ashamed.
Shut up your mouth. Just you know this afternoon. Idiots.
You are a disgrace. I'm ashamed of you. You are a disgrace.
Disgrace to you and your family. Disgrace to you and your family. Disgrace to you and your family. To you and your household. Disgrace to you people.
Man, they correct you. You could not check out.
Hold on.
Shut up your mouth.
Everybody calm down.
Thunder fire you, dear idiot. You know me before. Better person don't talk to me. I accept. You just come and they tell me, say, my enter house. Enter house, go cook beans, eat. Beans kill your head for dear idiot.
Put on mute.
Auntie Blessing is okay. You get what you shock just now. If I want to talk something,
put on mute. I said, put on mute. I'll drop everybody. You know, I'm the platform on this. I'm beginning about the talk of this market square talk. Listen, what you should understand. Single mother or no single mother. Many of you now when they my platform, you want a man a single mother for us. You understand? See, most of the women will become single mother today. Now man make them become a single mother. Have that one in mind. A lot of women there on my platform today, when I carry my come abroad. Many of them are married from Nigeria and carry come abroad. Not born for them. He don't put a man on that person. After I spend on that money, they carry my come abroad. That's a man. Use na enter abroad finish. He don't put a man on that person. It happen for this abroad. Many women they don't go fit count. So if you know they talk, don't just be judgmental for one side. Look at the splinter in a different way. Now platform na now no platform na this so. A lot of women today for this Europe who they talk so. The same thing goes to men. Many men for this abroad say women where they Europe. They go Nigeria go bring girl come. The highest they go get for that girl and one picking. The girl go, when they get out here, you go dump the follow that man. You go turn the man to single father. As well as single mother, as well as single father. Don't change it. The population is too high. That will say, single. How many of us get single? How many of us get single girls? Where they how many of you now? They date single girl for this people. I don't hear
now they take.
How many of us they date single girl for this Europe? This I hope in how many of us they date single girls? We want to tell us the truth. Most of the single girls who think they are single today, they don't fight for Nigeria before they come abroad. True or false? We get many for social media here. No, they mention their name. Like that one, I let one of Napoli. We have the friends in a single girl. I don't know if they fight for Nigeria when they secondary school. If not before Saga, I don't know. But she they claim single girl for social media. Many of them. See my God, daughter when they craze for social media now. Who knows that one be done for Nigeria before you come abroad? As a single mother. Hello? No machine they push it for Yash. My aim and my objective here is the useless single mothers who refuse their fathers to be seeing their children. Not my problem. Do you know, say most of the single girls who get in abroad here, if you told them they accept you, they say they go to work. They want to build a for Nigeria. If you told them they don't get your time, most of the single girls who go for abroad here, they don't go get respect. They don't get respect for man. If you watch nowadays, men they go for single mothers. Let us be frank to ourselves. The ugly women are getting married while the young ones are doing Jay-Z lifestyle. And they use screen, and they use Snapchat and snap it on TikTok. While the old cargoes, they do marriage, they pay black for their head for abroad. The young ladies out there, they see the snap, they do cheese for social media. You dey feel me so? Do you know the most important thing? Now me say I support Mommy 3D. Make it the weirdest single mother where. Yes. My reason is this. The mother woman, the saga single mother, the useless one inside, they show themselves when they know them. The useless single mothers them, they show themselves when they know them. See, we have good ones. Situation that leads to something. Somebody who don't want to do something before. Some circumstances go make her do something. Nobody will push sugar for a man with a throw spit. A married man, they're together. Now let me go to Mommy 3D and the ex-husband and the Mommy 3D husband and the ex-wife. Mommy 3D, the man where he married, so he get wife married for us. They both live together in Italy. I tried to do this video a long time ago. I said any man for Europe, for this Italy, the day when you carry your wife, say go born for Germany, France, and that day you scatter your marriage. Husband and wife, they live together. Your wife get belly, you see your wife go chop adoro for Germany because they pay. You don't scatter your marriage. You are a single man. That day you turn that woman to become a single mother. Take it or leave it. I don't stay Germany. I don't follow single mother that drug Carello for Germany. With Bele. I don't see my friends they date single mother with Bele. As the woman born, the right thing they put. That they will still pay the woman money. Why the person will give her Bele that your husband there for Italy? The husband there Italy. The woman come with Bele, come Germany. We get the same car for Route 10 under Dortmund. You understand? He can't seek for asylum. Based on single mother where Bele heavy. If you need help, would they help her? Would they help her? Guy man enter the woman. So that they parade the woman. Every evening, like, you go to the woman room. You go to the woman room. You go to rap the woman. You go to rap the woman. Go to rap. Before we know what happen. The woman, you know women now. The woman don't fall in love with the boy. Bele when the woman carry come from Italy. Got to chop asylum for Germany. Now this bros right to handle. Take get a further chance. Before we know what they happen. Either they go cut, you want the front, they go cut, they go cancel you do. Or God will give them a level for Italy. Only one Italy, one was of Italy. Or I'm the small guest in Italy. So you can see, say the day when you sell your woman go other country, you did this country, and then you spoil your marriage. And then when we are about to come, as long as they come and they follow up, will they go, bros? Will they go? You understand? This thing happen. Many women become single mother for Germany. Now you go see some useless women for Germany. Once that they reach Germany, then they follow man. Then they follow man. Some of our park go say, okay, husband go bring 8,000 euro. They buy papa for Peking. When you wife want born for Deutschland. In the Italy, that papa when they want pour one for so, you go see they bug the wife. You go see they bug that woman. Bro, many things they saw for Deutschland, which many of them are waiting for Germany know. When they talk the truth. Papa want pour hand for Peking for you. You go see give her a point. Join her. You go see collect money. The father chat, they go see they collect. The man go see they collect them. It happen. A lot of things, a lot of nuisance, a lot of abomination. Where our men, they make our women they do. But at the end, who they want to blame? Woman. Everything a woman. But who is the source? Who started? The origin? Who started? Now, man, they bring that idea. Once woman is in love, anything we make it do for you to be happy, they will do it. They go do it. But nobody talk about the man.